Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Rita. My channel name is Craft Today with Rita Renee. And quite naturally, I lost all of my footage. But what I did is I took this little ice tray mold or whatever from Dollar Tree. I used some air dry clay and then just a tin can, like that. I made some bees, attached it to the can with super glue and hot glue. I used the clay, of course, to make the bees. Attached it to the can, let it dry overnight, and then I spray painted it and displayed it for you. This is going to be a very short video because I did lose the footage, but stay tuned and I'll show you how it turned out. Okay, here's how our can has turned out after the clay bees dried. Doesn't look like much right now, but I'm hoping once I spray paint it, it will look better. So I'm gonna run out and do that, and then I'll show you how it turns out. All right, guys, here's how it turned out. I just kind of threw some flowers in there just to give you an idea. You could put anything in there, your paint brushes, makeup brushes, whatever. But I did spray paint it, and I wrapped a little twine around it just to give it something else. Those molds, I think if I had a different type of mold, if it hadn't been so thick, it would have been better. But you get the general idea. I think it turned out cute. And see these jars right here? I got these at Dollar Tree. I haven't done a haul, and I probably should have, but I just love those jars. I think they're gorgeous. But that's my little tin that I created, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not a subscriber, don't forget, I'd love to have you join my family. More DIYs to come soon, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.